Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Egyptian cotton sheets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Shadow Home Collection Egyptian Cotton Sheets. The Shadow Home Collection Egyptian cotton sheets are luxurious and comfortable bedding made from the finest 100% Egyptian cotton yarn. The 800 thread count sheets are tightly woven to ensure maximum comfort and make for perfect home decor. These sheets have been tested to meet the highest performance standards for strength, thread count, pilling, and shrinkage. They also come with tailored marrow stitches for a classic tailored look and deep pockets that can accommodate up to 18-inch mattresses. The 4-piece sheet set includes 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases. What we like about it: fits easily over thick mattresses and springs. Silky 800 count feel. Sturdy elastic corner piece in the fitted sheet. What we don't like about it: no separate cases for purchase. Number 2. SGI 100% Egyptian Cotton Sheets. If you're on the hunt for a soft and smooth bedding set that provides a luxurious hotel-like feel, the SGI 100% Egyptian Cotton 600 TC sheet set is the perfect match. It's a complete 4-piece full XL size, measuring 54 inches by 80 inches. It includes 1 fitted sheet, 1 flat sheet, and 2 envelope-style pillowcases. These sheets feature quality sewn double-stitched seams to ensure long-lasting durability and easy care with cold water washing. It is made from 100% premium cotton yarns to ensure sheets of the utmost comfort with detailed hem styling, and gets softer with every wash. What we like about it: soft sheets that fit well. Available in vibrant colors. Comfortable and cozy. Great value for money. What we don't like about it: prone to wrinkling after washing. Number 3. Lane Linen 100% Egyptian Cotton Sheets. When you want to upgrade your bedding for a more comfortable sleeping experience, these Egyptian cotton bed sheets are the perfect option. These sheets feature an authentic luxury 1000 thread count made from 100% Egyptian cotton. The deep pockets have all-around elastic for a snug fit, making them the ideal choice for any large-size bed. The Lane Linen sheet set comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet with a 16-inch finished deep pocket to fit mattresses up to 17 inches, and 2 standard pillowcases. What we like about it: unique extra band of elastic to keep sheets in place. Super soft with a high thread count. Fits larger mattresses up to 17 inches. What we don't like about it: not wrinkle-free. Requires ironing after drying. Number 4. Cotton Culture 1000 Thread Egyptian Cotton Sheets. The Cotton Culture Egyptian Sheet Set is the perfect addition to any home. These sheets are constructed from premium soft and luxurious Egyptian cotton. These features make them the ideal choice for someone looking for an extra cozy night of sleep. The breathable and lightweight fabric is perfect for keeping cool during a hot summer night and warm during a cold winter night. The 16-inch deep pocket fitted sheet offers an optimal snug fit that will hold up large mattresses up to 21 inches deep. Additionally, the pillowcases are designed with an envelope closure to prevent pillow inserts from slipping out. What we like about it: high thread count for quality. Thick, comfortable cotton material. Comfortable to sleep on. Available in a variety of vibrant colors. What we don't like about it: maybe too thick for some people's tastes or preferences. Number 5. Sonorocate Egyptian Cotton Sheets. This Egyptian cotton bed sheet set provides a truly luxurious experience. These sheets offer superior comfort and smoothness comparable to that of a 5-star hotel. Additionally, the dyes, auxiliaries, and sheets are all certified by Eco-Tex and GOTS for safety, making them fade and pill resistant, and thus increasing their longevity. This 4-piece set includes a fitted sheet with an all-around elastic and head/foot side indicator. What we like about it: incredibly soft and luxurious feeling. Lightweight material with unparalleled quality. What we don't like about it: not suitable for mattresses. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.